हाय एवरीवन। अगर आप भी एक परफेक्ट क्लासिक बॉब हेयर कट करना चाहते हो और सीखना चाहते हो तो इस वीडियो को पूरा देखना। आपके सारे डाउट क्लियर होने वाले हैं। सेक्शनिंग तो हम सब जानते हैं, लेकिन क्लासिक बॉब की जो परफेक्ट सेक्शनिंग है वो आज आपको इस वीडियो में दिखाने वाले हैं। क्लासिक बॉब या कोई भी शॉर्ट हेयर कट अगर आप करते हो तो सबसे मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ ये है कि आप जितना स्मॉल सेक्शन के साथ काम करोगे आपका हेयर कट उतना ही परफेक्ट होने वाला है। तो चले वीडियो को पूरा देखते हैं और देखते हैं आज तक हमने जो क्लासिक बॉब किए थे उसमें और इसमें क्या फ़र्क होने वाला है।
Diagonal forward sections are now taken from the profile parting to the middle of the ears. With the head upright, the hair is combed to natural fall and held within the comb to maintain strength within the baseline. And the line is cut to follow the guide. Diagonal forward sections are now worked from the profile parting to the top of the ears, and the technique is repeated. The horseshoe is then subdivided to the top of both ears. Sections are worked towards the crown. The hair is held within the comb and the line is cut to follow the guide. The balance is now checked. Using the previously cut hair from the back, the hair is combed to natural fall and the line is cut square. The technique is repeated on the opposite side. horseshoe section is taken from the back through to the front hairline. The hair is combed to natural fall and held within the comb and cut to follow the guide. Horseshoe sections are continued to be taken until the profile parting is reached, ensuring the hair is combed using the wide teeth of the comb. This will release tension whilst working around the crown area. The line is cut to follow the guide.
जी
Label M blow-on spray is applied to the hair approaching the blow dry. The hair is blast dried through to reduce moisture. A Label M styling brush is used for blow dry. The same sectioning pattern as the cut is used for blow dry. Starting at the perimeter at the back, working up to the profile parting through the top. Sections are worked through the styling brush to smooth the surface of the hair to create a slight bend through the ends to complement the shape. The wand length is checked for graduation. Starting through the back, the head is moved slightly forward and any excess graduation removed from the line. Moving the head slightly to the side, any excess graduation is removed from the line. A full fringe is now cut. Diagonal forward sections are worked from the profile parting to the recession area. The hair is combed to natural fall and held between fingers, and the line is cut square.